Good morning. My name is Gary Harris. I'm Chief of Investigation and Enforcement for Public Works Bureau of Street Services. Illegal dumping is the disposal of any waste without permission or without a permit. So obviously anything that is dumped on our alleys, our city streets, are on public property. And this also includes hazardous materials, which are sometimes illegally dumped in our community, causing a significant safety hazard to the public. Illegal dumping is the most commonly committed environmental crime in the state of California and also here in CD9. It is very prevalent because it is so easy to do, and unfortunately, many folks think there's no real penalty. They believe that the city will just clean it up. Well, unfortunately, that is not the case. It is indeed a crime, and it does create many problems for the community. Very common is construction debris, things that people want to get rid of when they clean out their garage, they do work on their homes, and just household trash. Generally, places like alleys, next to freeways, or any place that is easy to get in and out of with very little surveillance going on. They attract people who want to commit crimes such as illegal dumping. The consequences for illegal dumping as a misdemeanor crime in the state of California are up to a year in the Los Angeles County Jail or a fine of $1,000 or possibly both. It is indeed classified in this state as a misdemeanor, with the exception of when hazardous materials are dumped. Those would be considered felony, and hazardous material dumping could result in time in state prison. We frequently arrest individuals in the act of illegal dumping in the city of Los Angeles. Normally, we have surveillance teams that set up in certain parts of the city, and we look at hotspots where we know this crime is occurring. Our teams have been very successful at apprehending people in the act of illegal dumping, and those prosecutions are passed on to our city attorney's office to be prosecuted in court. Our goal is to educate the community into correct behavior, and we hope that by enforcing the law to its fullest possible extent, it will de-incentivize people from using the streets as a place to dump their trash. The city and the county of Los Angeles offer many opportunities for legal waste disposal. So part of our aim here is to make sure that we educate the public on how to properly dispose of such waste, but the alternative is getting caught and prosecuted for illegal dumping. The city is actively enforcing illegal dumping laws, and we're working in conjunction with our partners in both the Los Angeles Police Department, the Bureau of Sanitation, and in this case, the Los Angeles Unified School Police, to take a unified approach to tackle this tough environmental issue. We know that the issue is large, and that's why it takes the community and all the agencies working together to tackle this problem. For information on how to dump properly, please call 311. You can come to our website. We have many resources available to you to help you to find the legal disposal yards. Also, the city provides special pickups, which are easy to arrange by calling 311 and getting information on how to properly dispose of waste. You can report illegal dumping also by calling 311. You can tell us about areas where you're having high rates of illegal dumping activity. You can also call us directly. Our number is 213-847-6000. That is the Bureau of Street Services Investigation and Enforcement Division, and we will take tip on illegal dumping crimes and investigate them. The information that would really help us is you can get a license plate on a vehicle involved in the dumping, a description of the person dumping, and a description of what was dumped. That information is very helpful to us in prosecuting those cases. We really want to make an appeal to the community to work with us, because this is a community effort, all of us working together. And we don't want our neighborhoods used as trash cans. So please, if you see something, report it to us. You can report anonymously. When you see something, say something, report it to us immediately. Help us help you clean up Los Angeles.